Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Questionscout and Google Sheets. So the use case here is, whenever there is a new form submission in Questionscout, automatically add new row in Google Sheets. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Questionscout is an all-in-one survey and form builder, whereas Google Sheet is an online spreadsheet program. The issue here is that Questionscout and Google Sheet don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Questionscout to Google Sheets. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I'm going to hover over this product section and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in. Okay, so now because I've already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. You just have to clone the template of the workflow. The link for the same is available in the description below the video. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this workflow in your account. Okay, so now I am going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and you can see so many workflows that have already been created over here. So now I'm going to create a new workflow and I'm going to click on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Questionscout to Google Sheets. Now I'm going to create it. Okay. So now in Choose App, first I am going to choose Questionscout. Okay. So now in Trigger Event, whenever there is a new submission in the form in Questionscout, we want to send the data to Google Sheets. That is why I am going to choose New Submission because this is our trigger event over here. Now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? Let me tell you that automations run on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever there is a new submission in the form of Questionscout, we want to send the data to Google Sheets. That is why new submission in Questionscout will be our trigger event, whereas adding new row in Google Sheets will be our action event. So now after choosing the app and after choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Questionscout here. Now you might again be confused that what is this webhook URL, how is it helpful? Now let me tell you again that webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook URL helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So you can read the instructions written over here and you can follow them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here. I'll go to my Questionscout account. And here you have to open the form from which you are going to get your submission. Okay, so now I'm going to edit this form. Okay, so now here you can see the settings option. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now I'm going to search for webhook option over here. You can see webhooks are here. So I'm going to add a webhook over here. Trigger event will be new submission, endpoint URL. So here I'll paste the webhook URL that we got from Pabbly Connect. That is this one. Okay, so now I'm going to add this webhook. Okay, so now I've added this webhook successfully. Now I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect and now I'm going to click on Capture Webhook Response. So now it is time to go to our registration form of Questionscout and now we'll create a new submission. Okay, so now it is waiting for webhook response. I'll go to my Questionscout registration form. So this is the form that I've created. So I'll enter the details. First name is going to be 𝗪𝗵𝘆, last name Casper, email address 𝗪𝗵𝑆casper@gmail.com. Skills, I am going to choose Python. Submit. Okay, so I've successfully submitted this form over here. Now let us go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see Pabbly Connect has also captured the data. We have all the information over here. Now I'm just going to save this. Okay, so here we have successfully finished our first step integration, that is integration of Questionscout and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to begin with our second step integration, where we are going to integrate Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And now here in Choose App, I am going to choose Google Sheets. And now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever there is a new submission from Questionscout, we want to add new row in Google Sheet. That is why I am going to choose this option, Connect with Google Sheets. Okay, now create new or select existing credential. Here you have two options. Either you can create a new credential or you can select any existing credentials like this. So I let it be new credentials itself, Connect with Google Sheets. Now before choosing the account, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go and create a blank spreadsheet in our Google Sheet. So I'll go to my Google Sheets. So here I'm going to create a blank spreadsheet. Okay, now I'm going to give a title to this. So I'm going to name it as Question Scout to Google Sheets. Okay, I'll rename the sheet also, Questionscout Submissions. Okay, so I have renamed my spreadsheet. I have also renamed the sheet. Now I'm going to create some fields over here. So first is going to be first name, last name, email, skills. Okay, so I have created these field headings over here. Now I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect, connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so now here you have to choose the account where you have created your Google Sheet. So I'll choose my account. Okay, I'm going to allow it. You don't have to worry about your information. Everything is 100% safe and secure with Pabbly Connect. Okay. Okay. So now here you can see it has already mapped some details. You can see the spreadsheet name was Questionscout to Google Sheets. Same has been mapped over here. Whereas my sheet name was Questionscout Submissions. Same has been mapped over here. Okay, first name. So now all these fields are the same fields that we created in our Google Sheet. So now I'm just going to map the details. First name, 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, last name, let us map. Fine. Email, we have the email over here. It is here. Skills. Let us search. Where is it? Okay, Python. Save and send test request. Okay, so we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration of Questionscout and Google Sheets. Okay, so now let us go back to our Google Sheet and check if we have new rows or not. So I'll go to my Google Sheets. Okay, so you can see we have created a new row with all the information. I'll just extend these fields. Okay, you can see first name is here, last name is here, email is here, and the skill is here. Okay, so we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my form. Okay, first name is going to be 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Email is daniela@gmail.com. Skill I'm going to choose COBOL. Submit. Okay, so I've again filled a form over here and have submitted it. Now let's go back to Google Sheets and check if we have got a new information or not. So I'll go to my Google Sheets. Okay, so here you can see we have new row over here with all the information. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. Now I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is, first the information came from Questionscout to Pabbly Connect, then from Pabbly Connect the information went to Google Sheets. So now, every time there is a new submission in Questionscout, automatically new row will be added in Google Sheets. So we have successfully finished the integration of Questionscout and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.